Hi everyone, it's Hedy from Nanny's Italian Kitchen here. I'm going to be making you pasta Piselle today. If you don't know what that is, that's pasta with peas. One of my favorites. We used to have it at least once a week or once every other week. I don't make it that often because a couple of my sons, well, Paul will eat it, but Arthur won't. And so I make it for myself when I don't know what else to eat, and I always have peas, I always have tomato sauce in the house, so I'm going to make it for you now. And this is a portion for maybe 2 people. You can double it if you for 4, whatever, quadruple it, triple it, but I'm going to be making the recipe for 2 because I'm going to be eating it, me, myself, and I. Anyway, I have here, it's hard because I'm videoing this myself. My son is working, the other one's in the pool. It's 95 degrees outside. What I have here is a half an onion. Whoops. Here we go. I have a half an onion chopped. A large clove of garlic chopped. A big handful of parsley chopped. I have a small can of Del Monte baby peas and a small can of tomato sauce. And so what we're gonna go move over to the stove, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I have some oil heating up. I'm gonna put in the onion. I had it on high so that oil would get hot, but we're gonna lower it now to like medium high. I'm going to add the garlic. And the parsley. I like to saute the herbs with the onion and the garlic because I find that the flavor of the herbs comes out more. And so we're going to saute this for a couple of minutes. Got a piece of onion paper there. So you saute this until all your onions are translucent. And I can't say incorporate because somebody made a comment on one of my videos that I always say incorporate. Do you find that I always say incorporate? I don't think I do. Anyway, so we're sauteing this, and in the meantime I'm going to tell you about my cookbook. I keep forgetting to mention it. If you want to purchase a copy of my cookbook, you can go to hedysplace.com and click on the tab cookbook, and you'll find a form on the bottom of the page so you can order the cookbook, and it goes straight to PayPal. Also, you have to join my website, hedysplace.com. I have a wonderful blog where I write things every week. I started again. I wasn't writing every week, but now I'm dedicating it. I'm dedicating myself to writing every week. And I mostly tell about growing up in Italian or Little Italy in Harlem. And this week, I'm sorry to say, I wrote about my sister Rose. My sister Rose passed away this Sunday, and it's been a really tough week. So I've been keeping myself busy, writing the blog, cooking, doing business, working, because when I don't keep myself busy, I think about her, and it makes me sad. And it's going to be that way for a while, I realize, but okay, so I think we're just about there. You see the onions? Translucent means that they're not white anymore. Just a few more here, and then we'll be where we're supposed to be. If By the way, I put in some oil, about 4 tablespoons of oil. You could use whatever kind of oil you want. Western oil, canola oil or olive oil. Whichever oil you prefer. There we go. That's just about getting where I want it. I got it down to medium. I'm going to add the tomato sauce. And the peas. You could use canned peas, you can use frozen peas, whatever kind of peas you like. I use the canned ones because it's quick. And when I'm making a quick dinner for myself, it's easy. I put about a teaspoon of salt and stir it up. Now when I cook the pasta, I will put some pasta water in here with the pasta. Dump the whole thing in here, as a matter of fact, with a little bit of the pasta water. Okay, so the pasta is done. The instructions on the pasta say to cook it for 10 minutes for al dente. I never cook it for 10 minutes. If I cook it for 10 minutes, it'll be mush. I cook it 7 or 8 minutes. And that's plenty. This is for 2, maybe 3. You see I left some of the water from the pasta in there. Maybe I think I might have left a little bit too much, but that really, it's not. Because it starts to absorb. This is delicious. So, I take a nice big ladleful, maybe a little bit more. So it's really 2 people. And then my grandson loves when we do the fresh grated cheese, which is the way we always did it. My mother would turn if we got processed Parmesan cheese or Reggiano or whatever it was. We always had to do it fresh. And that's delicious. And now I'm going to taste this for you. After I sweated like
what?
Like a pig. Like a pig. This is so good. This is my dinner tonight, by the way. Don't forget, go to Hedy's Place and subscribe. And my cookbook is on Hedy's Place. There's a form on the bottom where you could fill out. I don't have these recipes, but I'm thinking of doing a regular everyday cookbook. The cookbook that I have is like for dishes that you make on the holidays, but this is everyday dishes, Italian dishes. I can make American too, but this is what we call Italian soul food. Pasta Piselle, pasta badam with potatoes, pasta fazool, pasta lentique. You can put pasta with anything. Pasta with broccoli, anything. I love it anyway. So, until my next video, I think the next one is going to be polenta. So we'll try it. Have a great day and enjoy the weekend.
You don't know if it's going to be the weekend when they release this.
Let us